Vic, what you got for us, man?
I don't know.
He caught me off guard.
Cut!
Hey, what's up guys? It's your friend Dehan Johnson, your local mortgage professional.
And Victor Huerta here, your local real estate agent in Laveen and South Phoenix. And
on today's episode, we are going to be showcasing our local chef and business owner, Corey Mingo from Mingo's Louisiana Kitchen, here at 3424 West Southern Avenue, Phoenix, Arizona, 85041. So first and foremost, I gotta say thank you, Corey, for giving us the opportunity to showcase you and your restaurant. Let the audience know a little bit about your start. How'd you get here?
Well, first of all, we started off with a food truck. We've had our food truck for about 4 years now in the Valley. We pretty much go everywhere. And then we transitioned to the restaurant just because we needed something a little bit more. We live right down the street from here, and so we always thought that would be a great place to have a restaurant. And so that's what we did. We opened a restaurant so that our local community can have a nice, decent place to go and eat. Okay, so we have Chef Walter. He's the head cook here at Mingo's Louisiana Kitchen, and he's going to prepare for you one of our signature items on our menu. It's a combo plate. Our catfish is truly unique because we get it from Bridge, Louisiana, home of some of the best catfish that you can get in the United States. And it is a pellet-fed, farm-raised catfish. Has great flavor, has great texture.
so how has your experience been in the Laveen community as far as a restaurant owner?
It has been absolutely fantastic. You know, I can't imagine being anywhere else but here in Laveen. The community has fully embraced what we're trying to do, what we're trying to accomplish, and our goals are providing an eatery for the locals to partake in. They need something that's not chain driven, and that's what we're offering our community. They have fully embraced every single thing that we're trying to do.
How do you like working for your dad?
Oh, it's a pretty good feeling, you know?
Yeah?
Yes, I kind of like working here a lot. Like, most people can say they don't enjoy their job. Like, I can actually, like, expect to come here and, like, do a good job, you know? Like, we take care of, you know, who we serve because, you know, they are our guests and we like to, you know, make our guests feel welcome, so.
Do you have a signature dish or a favorite dish?
Well, we do have a favorite dish. It's what we are most known for, and that's our barbecue braised short ribs over fries. We only run it on Saturdays here in the restaurant, but it's on the food truck every single day. You can find it there.
Question is, there's a lot of growth in Laveen. So we got the new freeway, we got the new Sprouts, the new Harkins Theater. So do you see the growth now as far as more clients coming in, customers coming into your business? Or have you not seen the growth yet?
Well, we really haven't seen the growth yet because the freeway is not open. Once the freeway opens, I think we're going to see a lot of traffic that comes and goes throughout Laveen. I think that is going to be really, really important for a small business local owners. You have a lot of farms, Amadeo's Farms, you have the local restaurants, and we need that support from the traffic that's going to be here in Laveen. So I think once that freeway opens up, it's going to be a completely different ball game. We're going to have a lot more traffic, we're going to have a lot more people just coming by, and being able to access Laveen a whole lot easier than they're able to access Laveen right now. The freeway is going to be critical to the success of all the small businesses here in Laveen.
What do you want your future existing customers or the community to know about you?
Well, we're family driven. You know, all of us live here in the community. I live on 43rd Avenue, and we have family that works in here. All these are my kids, and so every dollar that you spend inside this restaurant goes back to the community. You know, we don't have another house somewhere else in another state, another part of Phoenix. You know, everything that we spend here goes back to the community. Our kids go to Fairfax and go to Chavez, and you know, we donate money to a lot of the local organizations. So all the money that you spend in this restaurant goes back to the community.
I love it. Speaking of donating and giving back, Vic and I have partnered with Corey, and what we're going to be doing is giving you guys a chance to win 1 full week of meals on us, 7 days. You don't have to eat. It's making me hungry just thinking about it. You guys don't have to eat here every single day, but that's 7 days worth of meals that will be contributed on the behalf of Victor Huerta, myself, Dehan Johnson, and your main man, Corey Mingo.
Corey Mingo.